In philosophy, the nature without human transformation is called first nature, and the nature that has been transformed by humans is called second nature. Hate is natural. The signal of hatred will turn into stars and be launched into the sky. Of course, you can also add other patterns. If so, why not dance? The first virtual magazine, Second Nature, released in the future world, is named after this. This magazine set up the mood for each person's virtual character, such as hate, love, fear, anger, envy, and so on. Love, in its various forms, acts as a major facilitator of interpersonal relationships, and owing to its central psychological importance, is one of the most common themes in the Central Arts. The magazine also has an immersive and interactive experience.
Second nature.